What is the Internet of Things, IoT? The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the growing network of connected devices that can communicate with each other and exchange data over the Internet. These devices can include things like smart thermostats, security cameras, home appliances, wearable devices, and industrial equipment. The IoT allows devices to be connected and controlled remotely, which can offer a range of benefits. For example, a smart thermostat can learn a user's temperature preferences and automatically adjust the home's temperature accordingly, saving energy and money. A connected security camera can send an alert to a homeowner's smartphone if it detects movement, and a connected home appliance can be controlled and monitored remotely. The goal of the IoT is to make our lives more convenient and efficient by allowing us to control and monitor a wide range of devices and systems remotely. It also has the potential to revolutionize a variety of industries by enabling new forms of automation and data collection. However, the increasing interconnectedness of devices also raises concerns about security and privacy. Ensuring the security of IoT devices and the data they collect and transmit is an important challenge that will need to be addressed as the IoT continues to grow and evolve. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.